Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to transfer money from PayPal to your PayPal debit card in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned PayPal user or just getting started, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring funds in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need a few basics: a verified PayPal account and your PayPal debit card linked to it. In 2025, PayPal has made this process even smoother with enhanced security features, so let's get started. Step 1. Open the PayPal app on your smartphone or head to the PayPal website on your computer. Make sure you're logged in with your credentials. If you're on the app, you'll see a clean dashboard. Tap on the Wallet icon at the bottom. Step 2. Once in your wallet, look for the Transfer Money option. This might be under a menu like Money or Transfers, depending on the latest updates. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Now, select your PayPal debit card as the destination for the transfer. You'll see a list of linked accounts or cards. Choose the debit card option. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, in 2025, PayPal might have daily limits, so double-check that before you go ahead. Step 4. Review the details carefully. You'll get a summary of the transfer, including fees if any apply, though PayPal often keeps these minimal for debit card transfers. Hit Confirm, and follow any additional security steps, like a two-factor authentication code sent to your phone. And just like that, you're done. The money should hit your debit card almost instantly or within a few minutes. Keep an eye on your transaction history to confirm everything's smooth. Before we wrap up, a quick tip: always transfer only what you need to avoid unnecessary fees, and make sure your app is updated to the latest 2025 version for the best experience. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance hacks. See you in the next video.